Hey guys, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, and we're here to kick off a new series, and this will be kind of our overlanding or our traveling series. And actually, I didn't know it was called overlanding until not too long ago. We always called it just traveling and camping in the truck. But been hitting some overland expos and getting some ideas. Did a little build out in the back. We'll show you that later. And we're heading up Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Thought we'd bring you along for our first official trip of truck camping. So we'll show you some views along the way. Any highlights? We'll have some fun. We'll catch you. We'll catch you later.
Morning.
What?
Morning.
Good morning.
That light comes on. Ooh, chilly.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate you delivering my coffee in bed. It's awesome. But I have found a problem with our truck top camping. And that is, you can't sit up in bed and enjoy your coffee. It's impossible to stay up. You gotta hold on the whole time. I didn't see that one coming. I gotta figure something out for that one. Alright, well, we made it to Smoky Mountain Knife Works. First chance to use the truck kitchen, just made some coffee, but it's a whole lot better than anything I've been able to find around here. Nothing like being able to make your own. Almost makes the whole project worthwhile. Let's go see what we can get into inside. There you go. Might as well get all this bacon. Throw an extra slice on yours.